Hey Rising Stars, bold choices are the secret sauce that make you stand out in an audition. So in this lesson we are going to cover what choices are, how to make bold ones, and how to make sure that you get booked from your next audition. So stick around and click the link in the description below if you want to get more personalized one-on-one coaching with me. Choices. Now, I want to keep this part somewhat short because choices are often personal. But what are choices? Choices can be actions, as we've covered earlier, and how you choose to execute your character's needs and desires. Choices are also what we spoke about with physical actions and visual cues. But I want to inspire you to make choices that excite you and make you stand out. For example, buttons. What are buttons? Buttons are an extra word, line, or expression added at the end of the scene that is not written in the script already. Now, these are usually reserved for comedy scenes, but not necessarily. A button can tell story, show who your character is, and be that icing on the cake to make sure that you stand out, and often get a laugh. This is just one choice you can implement. Another may be adding some uh-huhs while your scene partner is talking. Another could be eating an apple. The only thing is to make a choice that makes sense to the story. But have fun and stand out. It took me many years to stop playing it safe, and even now I get a bit nervous about doing something outside the box. But you know what happens? We get sent to producers and we get cast. So make choices and make them fun. I'm super excited to see the choices you make, and I want them to be outlandish. That means kind of crazy. And I would love if you would send them to me to check them out. Great job, stars! Now that you've learned how to make strong choices, make sure to bring those into your next audition, okay? Oh, and you know what I'm going to say. If you ever want to book me, just click on the link in the description below, and please subscribe.